safety precautions for computer assembly.
Welcome to our computer assembly laboratory, where precision and safety go hand in hand. Before we delve into the process of assembling computers, let's go over some essential safety measures to ensure a secure and efficient working environment.
Rule number 1. Keep your workspace clean and organized. Clutter can lead to accidents, so make sure to tidy up after yourself and dispose of any waste properly. Rule number 2. Be mindful of static electricity. Ground yourself by using an anti-static wrist strap or mat to prevent damage to sensitive components. Rule number 3. Never work on any equipment while it's still bright. Always disconnect the power source and remove the battery if applicable before starting any assembly. Rule number 4. Handle components with care. Many computer parts are delicate and can be easily damaged. Always hold them by their edges and avoid applying excessive force. And finally, rule number 5. If you are unsure about how to proceed with an assembly or encounter a situation you are not familiar with, do not hesitate to seek guidance from your lecturer or experienced technician.
By adhering to these safety measures, we can ensure a safe and productive environment for everyone in the computer assembly lab. Remember, safety is paramount. Thanks for watching and happy assembly!
Thanks for watching.